Hello guys, welcome to your 48th C++ tutorial. This is Anirudh here, and today in this video I'm going to be teaching you about static members. It is amazing to me that I've already not taught you about it. It's a very nice thing in my opinion, at least. Not the greatest, but still a very nice thing. So static variable, well, what it is the later concept. What you need to know is how to initialize it. So I create a static variable int a, and now if I want to give some value to a, okay, what you need to do is remember this syntax. I mean, really, this, for example, I want to set a to 5. This is what you need to do at the end of the class. Never here, never here, never here. Remember this simple thing. Okay, so after doing this simple thing, you then need you'll just run the program and just now you create an object of a. This is a very interesting thing in my opinion. Now you write ob.a cout ob.a. Let's see what happens. Well, outputs 5. Well, that's okay. I mean, nice. This is the regular thing. But what happens when I remove this ob and do this a, just like you did it here? What happens? Let's run it. Voila! Here we go. It outputs 5, just as expected by me. Maybe not by you, but by me. I expected this. Brilliant. Now, what if I remove this? Still outputs 5. So, this outputs should have given you an idea how this works. Well, certainly I already knew about it. So, well, just hear me out. Static variables are variables which are created by the user, of course, but the memory allocation is different. For you to understand this, you must understand how memory is allocated when classes and objects are created. Now, for example, I have an integer variable b here, and I set this equal to 5, and I've got a function here, void hello, that does nothing but cout hello. This is what it simply does. So, and I create an object so that it's going to be an easy explanation. aob and ob dot hello and ob dot b. There we go. Okay, so now when classes are declared, only the memory for the member functions, that is in this case hello, is allocated for the class during compile time. That is when you just click this gear icon on top and then you build and run it. That time memory is allocated for hello, for the class A to hold the member function hello. When you create an object here, that is aob, memory is allocated for the integer b, only the member variables. Okay, you must remember this. The member functions are stored in the class memory, okay, and the variables are stored in the object memory, okay. But what about static? Well, static is just like something different, like out of the world, you could think, but well, it's not really that weird. But still, static memory allocation is absolutely different. It is neither in the class nor in the object. It is allocated differently in such a way that all the variables and all the functions are able to access the static variable. All and there's only one copy of the variable created. Similarly, in class only one copy of the member function is created, but when you create an object, multiple variables are created. You must remember this. When you, for example, I create a ob2. Okay, so this is the second object, and a different integer b is created, so four more bytes of memory are used up in this. So but when no new static integer a is created in the memory, so this saves 4 bytes. Okay, so you must remember this. It's a very important thing that the static variable occupy only one copy of a static variable is created. Remember this, only one single copy of it is created, and all member functions and member variables have always access the static variable as one. You Well, it's slightly complex, but there's only one copy of the static variable. So if b wants to access a of object 1 and b wants to access a of object 2, then there's only one a that they will access, not different a's for each object. You must remember this. Okay, so well, I'll just run it and show it to you. Well, there's no need for an output hello 55. Well, it's a regular thing. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned.